Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a just for fun tutorial. So how to put here crumble or sprinkles on the donut. Okay, and yes, I start. So the problem is the poly count. So I prefer this method. So I use here at the tools menu, the insert tool. This is the default insert tool, only other icon. So press insert, and here I choose the box, and now I'm placing here a box on the donut. So I activate the wireframe to see how it looks. And here in the top menu, you see here constant density and the X division here. So change it to 0 and then activate the constant density checkbox to change here the divisions. And change here maybe only the set division. So that the box looks like this. So only one loop in the middle. So now I'm using the gizmo tool and I'm scaling, sorry. So in the blue direction here, this one, and so like this. And then here in the three dots menu, you can change here the post subdivision. So change it to 1. So now you see here, you get such a nice small sprinkle. And you see here the green direction here. So you can change the pivot maybe a little bit so that the anchor point is, yeah, something like this here. Okay, that's it. And here in the hierarchy, add a group node for this because there are a lot of objects. So add group. So now pick this small thing here. So I'm hiding the other part here to work only on this one. And now I'm using here the transform tool. Here transform, then you get here such a small green arrow, and you can pick this thing here and move it around on the surface, and yeah. Okay. Then on the left side menu, you see here an instance button. So press instance, and here watch these icons here, this instance icon here. When I pick this object here, this icon changes here to repeater. So I'm using here the top view. I'm picking now this object, and then here, so. And you see here now, here's a repeater icon. So set the distance from this point to this point and press now the repeater. So now when you draw on the surface here, the distance you set between the first object and the second object is set as the repeater thing here on the donut. So, sorry, I have to go a step back. So now I make everything visible again. And now you got your sprinkles here. And so, and now you see the group is very useful because you can collapse it. So you only have the group with the sprinkles, and yes, you're fine. So maybe like this, hide. Okay. That's a way to create such sprinkles. Okay. I hope it helps. Have fun with sculpting and ciao.